Can the Stihl MSA 220C, I believe it's 40 volt. I believe that's what it is, 36 volt. 7 amp hour battery. As you can see, it's full. Can this Stihl cut that log? And that is an old oak log. And I want to see if it'll cut through that. Alright, got tripod set up. Saw is full of oil. We'll double check. No. Okay, I don't want to be too hard on this thing, so I decided to do the smaller end. It's full of bar oil, fully charged battery. Let's see if it can cut a decent sized log out of there and see how long the battery lasts. Actually, not too bad for being electric, or battery powered, I should say. I don't know how thick that thing is, but we'll take and measure it. We'll do a comparison. I have a pretty nice sized gas Stihl, so we'll see how that does. So this end here, that tree was 16 inches across right there, so we're gonna do it one more time. Let's see what the battery. It's still showing full. Let's do it one more time. Disturbing the carpenter ants, as you can see them crawling out of that nest right there. But there, 2 cuts. What do we got for battery yet? Oh, so 2 cuts took it down 1 bar. Considering though, I wonder if this thing would cut the whole log. But it is pretty interesting. Alright, I'm going to go get my gas saw and I'll show you that one for a comparison. Okay, what do I have here is to compare to that battery powered chainsaw from Stihl. I have an MS290, which is a lot bigger and a lot more, how do I say, overgrown, with a 20-inch bar. Not sure about this saw because I just picked it up. I got it running. They're both sitting a while, so we'll see how they start. We'll try they're both farm saws. This is the Husqvarna 55 Rancher, and the Stihl is the Farm Boss MS290. So I'm gonna give us, I'll try the Husqvarna right now. We'll see how it starts. I did do a little bit of work to it, but it does need a magneto. So if it starts, we'll take and give it a try. All right, I'm gonna try and fire up this Husqvarna 55 and see how it is. I didn't know much about this saw. As you can see how I cut through it. Now we'll take and do the Stihl. On that Husqvarna, I didn't sharpen that chain, so that chain was how it was. So let's see how my MS290 Stihl is. No comparison, that MS290 works very well, but if that Husqvarna had a freshly sharp chain in it, it probably would work even better. So there you go. You know, I think for the homeowner, that battery-powered saw won't be too bad. You won't have to worry about gas or nothing like that. If you have the bank charger for it, they're saying it's a 30-minute runtime on that battery. And that saw did work a little bit, and this is probably overkill. But, yeah. So there's something to think about. Here's a comparison video between a battery saw compared to two really large gas-powered saws. But, yeah, a lot more to cut out of that thing, and I do believe we got rain coming. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching. This is G-Mech. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. And remember, keep on wrenching.